Hello everyone, welcome to our e-Academy platform IIOCS presented by Food Tech Club. I am Wasima Usman and I am here to teach you the general aptitude or general intelligence. Today I am going to start my session of general aptitude or general intelligence. Guys, I will teach you all the part of general aptitude or all the chapters of the general aptitude step by step, and I think it will be very much benefited to all of you. I hope guys you all are aware about the general aptitude because it's a very important part for all kind of competitive service examination of central government and state government like bank, PSUs, RRB, SSC, UPSC, PSC, more or less for every kind of competitive service examination. General aptitude is a very important part. But guys, I just want to say you one thing, that if I practiced you lots of general aptitude questions or a branch of questions from every chapters, still there is no guarantee that you will get common question in general aptitude. But obviously there is guarantee that you will get the common pattern in general aptitude. So guys, you just have to learn all type of pattern very attentively in general aptitude. And general aptitude is such a thing that you can solve most of the general aptitude by the presence of your mind. So how much you will practice general aptitude, that much you will be skilled and expert about the general aptitude. Okay, so I will not waste too much time by talking. I am just entering into my today's topic. My today's topic of general aptitude is number series. So before starting the number series, I just want to say you that number series is a part of the general aptitude which belongs to the chapter series, and series is very important and initial or the starting chapter of the general aptitude. So here is some basic of general aptitude. General aptitude mostly divided into two parts. One is verbal part and another is non-verbal part. And which is verbal part? Verbal part is that part where in question there will be no image, only the question will contain the number, symbol or alphabet. Okay, and you have to solve the question. That means in verbal part there will be no image. And what is non-verbal part? Non-verbal part where image will be available and they will provide you the image, and on the basis of that image you have to solve that question. So in non-verbal part there is image available. And series is such a chapter which is belongs in both of the part. There is also verbal series and there is also non-verbal series. And verbal series question there will be no image, and in non-verbal series there will be the image and on or the series of image, and you have to solve the question. Okay, so guys, here you can see that series is basically classified into 5 categories, and its first classification is number series, and it is our today's discussion chapter. Okay, and another classification is alphabet series, next alphanumeric series, next the fourth one is mixed series, and the last one is letter series. And what is number series? Number series, in which series contain only the number or the digit, or which series made by only number or digit, that series you can call the number series. Number series basically happen in 3 categories: in ascending series, descending series or oscillating series. Ascending series, or that means it happen in increasing order. And descending series, which series happen in decreasing order. And another is oscillating series. Oscillating series doesn't follow increasing or decreasing manner. It doesn't follow any rule, but there is also series, and you have to solve that question. Almost there is a tilting manner, you can also say. Next, alphabet series. Alphabet series, which series contain only alphabetic letters, that series called alphabet series. Next, alphanumeric series, which series contain both alphabet and numbers. This type of series you can call alphanumeric series. Next, mixed series, which series created by two or more than two combination of series. That means there can be also the presence of a alphabetic series and number series both, and more than that of also. Okay, that type of series you can call the mixed series. And last one is the letter series. Letter series is a series of the letter which follow a certain pattern, is given with 4 or 5 times blank spaces in between, and you just have to find out the letters on that of the blank spaces, and that missing letters will be your correct answer. Okay, so just for a clear view, I am just giving a very little example of letter series, so that you can get a just clear example, a clear view. Suppose they provide you this type of series BAA B blank, next A, then again B, and next A, again blank, next B B, and BBA and double blank, and you just have to find out the letters in these blank spaces, of these blank spaces. Okay, so here you can see that there is a manner that like BAA, and another pattern is BBA. So if we do like that, here is BAA, and if we put B again here, you will get both that series, that BAA and BBA. So we can separate it from here, and this is the pattern it's maintaining. So if we and we have to repeat this pattern again, so that's why we will do again BA, and in this blank there will be also A, and then again BAA and BBA. So again this pattern repeated. So and then next we have to follow the same pattern, so we will put B again here, and A will be here, and it will be like so on, but you just have to find out the letter into up to this space. Okay, so our answer will be of the blank spaces, that is B A B A. So it will be our answer B A B A. Okay, so more you will get more concept about the letter series when we will solve the letter series problem. Okay, but now today's our discussion topic is regarding number series. In the series part, there is mostly 3 types of question come. The first type of question, they can ask you for complete the series, or they can ask you to find the missing number of the series, or they can ask you to find the wrong number of the series. Okay, so now I am entering into our today's topic, that is number series. And number series mostly follow there is some points which number series mostly follow, or the relationship which number series follows, that is there might be a relationship of consecutive even numbers, there might be a relationship of consecutive odd numbers, there might be a relationship between consecutive prime numbers, and also square of the numbers, also might be cube of the numbers, also square root of the numbers, and also there might be omission of the certain number of letters in any consecutive order, or also the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division by some numbers, and that is or AP and GP series also, or any other relation. Okay. Now I am giving you some example of every type of number series first, then we will enter into a particular category of number series for today's session. Okay, so there is some basic example of every type of number series. So here is our first example. They ask you to choose the next them of the series. Okay. So you just have to find out that question. You just have to find out that digit in this blank, or you just have to find out the next term. So here is the series, you can see, and I am writing it separately so that we can solve it very easily, and we get the space also, so that I am writing this series besides. So our series is 4, 6, 9, 13. So here is the link we have to find out first. So we can see that 6 is more than 2 of 4. So 4 plus 2, it is 6. Again, if we do 6 plus 3, it is 9, and if we do 9 plus 4, it will be 13. So here we can see that this addition is in AP series and in consecutive digit, that is 2, 3, 4. So automatically our next term will be 13 plus 5, that means 18. Okay, so our answer is B, 18. Next example, and one thing is that our first example was in increasing manner. So from that series you can see that 4, 6, 9, 13, it is in increasing manner, or a ascending series. Okay, and our next example, from that series you can see that this series is in descending order, or in decreasing order, or it's a descending series. So it is in decreasing order, and we have to find out the next term. So again I am writing this series separately beside 8, and we have to find out the last one. So 64 equals to, we can write 2 to the power 6, 32 equals to, we can write 2 to the power 5, 16 equals to, we can write 2 to the power 4, 8 equals to, we can write 2 to the power 3. So here you can see that power of 2 is in AP series but in decreasing order. So definitely our next term will be 2 to the power 2, or whole square of 2, that is 4. So our answer will be 4. Next, what will come in place of question mark in the following series? So in this series you can see that 87 is greater than 79, but 83 is less than 89. So here is no ascending or descending series is followed, so we can say it that it's a oscillating series. So again I am writing this series separately, that is 79, 87, we have to find the middle term, 89 and 83. So if we do 79 plus 8, we will get 87, and if we do 89 minus 6, we will get 83. So just try, it will follow or not. So if we do again and if we follow this rule, 87 minus 6, we will get 81, and if we do 81 plus 8, we will get 89. So here you can see that this series is following. This series is following the plus 8 and minus 6 rule. One term is plus 8 manner of the previous term, and the next term follows the minus 6 order. Okay, so our answer will be 81. Our next example, what will come in place of question mark in the following series? So again here you can see that is a ascending series or in increasing manner, because all the term is gradually in increasing order, so we can say that it's a ascending series in increasing order. Okay, so here is so we have to find out the pattern which it's following. So if we do 21 plus 34, or if we add first term and second term, we will get 55. Again if we do second term, if we add second term and third term, and assuming, now I am assuming that it's a third term, and considering it is a third term, I am doing that addition of second term and third term. So we will get 89, and if we do addition of third term and fourth term, 55 plus 89, we will get 144. So it is the correct pattern of this series which it is following. That is, we have to do if we have to find out the digit, we have to do addition of previous 2 digit. This is the rule of this series. Okay, so our answer will be 55. So guys, if you face any problem in any question, just pause your video and just move your video forwardly and watch this video again. Okay, so our next example is to find the wrong term in the series. You have to find the wrong term in the series. They are providing you a series, and which you can see that it is also a ascending series in increasing order. So what is the rule it is following here? So 3 equals to, we can write 2 square minus 1. 8 equals to, we can write 3 square minus 1. 15 equals to, we can write 4 square minus 1. 24 equals to, we can write 5 square minus 1. 34 equals to, we can write 6 square minus 2. 48 equals to, we can write 7 square minus 1. And 63 equals to, we can write 8 square minus 1. So guys, here you can see that all the digit is the square root of consecutive number which in AP series, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we have to do the -1 from all the square root. But only in the case of 34 we are doing only -2. So that means it is not following the series and it is the wrong number. Instead of 34, it should be, if we do the 6 square minus 1, that number should be, instead of 34, it will be 35. So our wrong term is 34. So option C is correct. Next, I am entering into the particular pattern of the number series for today's session, and which will be only in ascending series, or increasing pattern will follow in all the series of the number series, and will solve this type of problem today. Okay. So our first problem of ascending series in number series, the first problem is 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and you have to find out the next term. Right, I am writing this series, and if we do 6 plus 3 we will get 9, and again if we do 9 plus 3 we will get 12, if we do 12 plus 3 we will get 15, again if we do 15 plus 3 we will get 18. So it's a very simple series. Every next term is the plus 3 of previous term. So our required answer will be 18 plus 3, that is 21. So option B will be correct. Okay. Next series is 4, 5, 7, 10, 14, and you have to find out the next term. So here you can see, if we do 4 plus 1 it will be 5, if we do 5 plus 2 it will be 7, if we do 7 plus 3 it will be 10, if we do 10 plus 4 it will be 14. So here you can see that all the addition of next term is in AP series, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So our required answer will be 14 plus 5, and it will be 19. So our answer will be option C, that is 19. Next, 1, 3, 8, 19, 42, 89. So here we can write that to find the next term, we can write that 1 into 2 plus 1 will get 3. It is little complicated series than previous two question. Gradually we are entering into the typical type or complicated type of question, because not that much of simple question is not coming nowadays in the exams. Okay, so definitely we have to solve the complicated type of problem. So if we do, or if we multiple plus 2 and then do plus 1 with the first term, that is 1, then we will get 3, and again if we do 3, and 3 is our second term, and with the second term or with the 3, if we do we are multiplying 2 by the second term, and then again adding plus 2 with it, then we will get 8. Similarly we will do, or we will multiple 8 by 2 and we will add plus 3, we will add plus 3 with it, then we will get 19. Again we will do 19 into 2 plus 4, we will get 42. 38 plus 4, it will be 42. Then 42 into 2 plus 5, we will get 89. And so next term will be 89 into 2 plus 6. Because this addition is happening, the multiplication of multiply of the 2 with the previous term is fixed, and this addition is in AP series, so our and in consecutive number, so our required answer will be 89 into 2 plus 6, and it will be 184. Okay guys, clear? So our answer will be option B, 184. Next, 5, 16, 51, 158. So we are following the previous pattern, just trying it will be happen or not. So if we do 60, we can write 16 equals to 5 into 3 plus 1, then we will get 16. And 51 equals to, we can write 16 into 3 plus 3, we will get 51. 158 equals to, we can write 51 into 3, that is 153 plus 5, then we will get 158. So here we can see that multiply of the 3 is fixed, and this addition series is following the consecutive number of the odd series only, that is 135. So our required answer will be 158 into 3 plus 7, because the odd term after 5 is 7. So then we will get it will be 481. Okay, so our answer will be 481. Our option C is correct. Next, 2, 12, 36, 80, 150, and then question mark. So 2 equals to, we can write 1 cube plus 1 square. We can write 2, 1 cube plus 1 square, sorry guys, 1 cube plus 1 square equals to, it will be 2, or I am writing it in this way, or it will be more comfortable. 36, 80 and 150. So 2 equals to, we can write 1 cube plus 1 square. 12 equals to, we can write 2 cube plus 2 square. 36 equals to, we can write 3 cube plus 3 square. 80 equals to, we can write 4 cube plus 4 square. 150 equals to, we can write 5 cube plus 5 square. So here is this pattern, it is following in this series, that is every term is the addition of the cube root and square root of the consecutive number, cube and square of the consecutive number. So our next term will be 6 cube plus 6 square. That is, if we do 6 cube plus 6 square, we will get 252. So our answer is option C. Okay. Next, 1, 8, 9, 64, 25, 216, and you have to find out the next two term. Okay, so that they provided you the 2 digit. So as they want the next two term. So from this question we can assume that this series is this series is containing two series, or that this series is a mix of the two series. So that here we can also see that 1, 9, 25 are the odd number, 8, 64, 216 is the even number. So I am separating the odd series and even series separately, that is 1, 9, 25, and the even series is 8, 64, 216. So 1 equals to, we can write 1 square, 9 equals to, we can write 3 square, 25 equals to, we can write 5 square, right? So 135 is the consecutive odd number and is the digits are the square root of every consecutive odd number. And 8 equals to, we can write 2 cube, 64 equals to, we can write 4 square, 216 equal 4 cube, and 216 equals to, we can write 6 cube. So the even series is the consecutive order cube of the consecutive order of the even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6. So our next even number will be 8 cube, and that is 8 cube equals to 512, and our next odd number is equals to, after 5 the odd number is 7, so our answer will be 7 square means 49. So our answer will be, so this term will be 49, and next this term will be 512. So our answer will be 49 and 512. Our next question is 0, 7, 26, and you have to find out the missing number 124, 215. So how we will get the missing number? We can write zero equals to 1 cube minus 1, 7 equals to 2 cube minus 1, 26 equals to, we can write 3 cube minus 1. Next I am giving space now, and 124 equals to, we can write 6 cube, sorry, it will be 5, not 6, 5 cube, 5 cube minus 1, and 215 equals to, we can write 6 cube minus 1. So here you can see this is the consecutive cube root of the cube of the consecutive numbers, and then it is the minus 1 for every term. So that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So our middle term will be definitely 4 cube minus 1. So if we do 4 cube minus 1, it will be 64 minus 1, that means 63. So our answer will be option C. Next series is 8, 15, 28, 53, and you have to find out the next term. 8 equals to, we can write now I am starting from the second term, that is 15 equals to, we can write 8 into 2 minus 1. 28 equals to, we can write 15 into 2 minus 2. 53 equals to, we can write 28 into 2 minus 3. So here you can see that every next term is we are getting by multiplying 2 of the previous number, and then we are doing the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, which is in AP series in consecutive numbers. Okay, so our next term will be 53 into 2 minus 4. So it will be 102. So our answer is option D. Okay. Next series is 6, 12, 21, 40, and you have to find out the middle term, and then 48. So 12 equals to, we can write or if we do in like that, if we do if we subtract the previous term from the next term, or if we do 12 minus 6, this will be 6, and again if we do 21 minus 12, we will get 9, and if we do 33 minus 21, will get 12. Again if we do 48 minus 33, we will get 15. So here we can see that this is the series, that is 12, 21, 33, 48. So our missing and first term was 6. So we are just subtracting previous term from the next term. Okay, and this will be the answer of the series. So our answer will be 33, option D. Next, 1, 4, 27, 16, 36, 343. Three 43. So if we do 1 equals to, we can write 1 cube, 4 equals to, we can write 2 square, 27 equals to we can write 3 cube. 16 equals to, we can write 4 square. 36 equals to, we can write 6 square, and 343 equals to, we can write 7 cube. Okay, so here is the mixed of the two series, which is the all the odd numbers are in cube roots of the consecutive odd numbers, and all the even numbers are the square root of the consecutive even numbers. So our next term will be, if it is 1 3, next term will be 5 cube, that is 125. So our answer will be option D, 125. Next, 28, 33, 31, 36, and you have to find out the middle term, and this is 39. So 28 equals to, we can write, or 28 if we do like that, plus 5 will get 33, and if we do 33 minus 2 we will get 31, and again if we do 31 plus 5 we will get 36. If we do, just assuming 36 minus 2, then we will get 34, and again if we do 34 plus 5 we will get 39. So this rule is following in this series. One is plus 5 and next term is in minus 2. So our answer will be 34. Next, 1 5 14 30 55 91. For 14 30 55 91. So in this series, we can see that 5 equals to, we can write 5 equals to 2 square plus 1, or 14 equals to or if we do it like that, that is 1 5 14 30 55 91. So 1 equals to, if we do 1 plus 4 we will get 5. If we do 5 plus 9 we will get 14. If we do 14 plus 16 we will get 30. If we do 30 plus 25 we will get 55, and if we do 55 plus 36 we will get 91. So here we can see that this is these all addition are in square root of every number, that is 4 equals to 2 square, 9 equals to 3 square, 16 equals to 4 square, 25 equals to 5 square, and 36 equals to 6 square. So that is in consecutive numbers. So our next term will be with the addition of the consecutive number, and that is will be 7 square. 7 square means 49. So if we add 91 plus 49 we will get 91 plus 49 we will get 140. So our answer will be option B. Next, 2 5 10 17 26 37, and you have to find out the next term. 2 equals to, we can write 1 square plus 1. 5 equals to, we can write 2 square plus 1. 10 equals to, we can write 3 square plus 1. 17 equals to, we can write 4 square plus 1. 26 equals to, we can write 5 square plus 1. And 37 equals to, we can write 6 square plus 1. So it is in consecutive numbers, which is in AP series, and then square root of every consecutive number, and we are doing plus 1 with it. Then we are going we will get our required answer. So our next term will be 7 square plus 1, and then it will be 7 square plus 1 equals to 50. So our answer will be option C. Okay. Next, 4, 9, 25. So it is very clear that all the numbers are the square root of every number. So 4 equals to, we can write 2 square. 9 equals to, we can write 3 square. 25 equals to, we can write 5 square. And 121 equals to, we can write 11 square. 169 equals to, we can write 13 square. 289 equals to, we can write 17 square. And 361 equals to, we can write 19 square. So this is the all numbers are the root of the consecutive prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 11, 13, 17, 19. So our middle term will be after 5, our prime, which prime number will come, that is 7. So our answer will be 7 square, that is 49. So our answer will be option A, 49. Okay. Next, 121 to 25, 361. So 121 equals to, we can write 11 square. 225 equals to, we can write 15 square. 361 equals to, we can write 19 square. So here you can see that 11 equals to 11 square. This is the rule is following. If we do 11 into if we do 11 plus 4 into 1 whole square, again we are doing 15 plus 4 into 2 whole square. We are just writing to find out that series. So if we write 19 plus 4 into 3 whole square, no guys, it will not be. There is 121 equals to, we can write 11 square, and 225 equals to, we can write 15 square, and 316 equals to, we can write 19 square. So 15 equals to, we can write 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4 equals to 15 into 1 whole square, we can write it. So if we do 11 plus 4 into 2, we will get 19. So we can write 15 and 19 like this way. So our next term will be 11 plus 4 into 3 whole square, that is means 23. 23 whole square. 23 whole square equals to 529. Clear? So our answer will be 529. Next, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 15. 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 15. 2 equals to, we can write plus 1. Again 3 plus, if we do 3 into 2 we will get 6. If we do 6 plus 1 we will get 7. If we do 7 plus 2 we will get 14. If we do 14 into 14 plus 1, if we do, sorry, it will be 2 3 6 7 14 15. If we do 2 plus 1 we will get 3. If we do 3 into 2 we will get 6. If we do 6 plus 1 we will get 7. If we do 7 into 2 we will get 14. If we do 14 plus 1 we will get 15. So this rule is following here, that is 1 is plus 1 and next term we will get by multiplying 2. So 1 is first one is plus 1, then next multiply will multiply it by 2, again will add plus 1, then again will multiply it by 2. So our next term will be 15 into 2. So our answer is 30. Next, 3 equals to, we can write or we are 3 equals to, we can write 3 plus 0. 6 equals, we are writing 6 equals to 3 plus 3. 9 equals to, we can write 6 plus 3. 15 equals to, we can write 9 plus 6. 24 equals to, we can write 15 plus 9. 39 equals to, we can write 24 plus 15. 63 equals to, we can write 39 plus 24. So here also you can see that every term is the addition of the previous two term. Okay, so this rule is following here, that is 6 equals to 3 plus 3, again 9 equals to 6 plus 3. 15 equals to 6 plus 9. 24 equals to 15 plus 9. 39 equals to 15 plus 24 and 63 equals to 24 plus 39. So our next term will be 63 plus 39. So our answer will be 102. So option C is correct. Next, -1, 0, 8, 15, 24. So -1 to 0 we can write, if we do -1 plus 1 we will get 0. So again if we do 0 plus 3 we will get 3. If we do 3 plus 5 we will get 8. If we do 8 plus 7 we will get 15. If we do 15 plus 9 we will get 24. So this addition is consecutive. This addition is the consecutive order of the odd number. So our next so our missing term will be 3. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 6, 24, 7, 20. So 2 equals to, we can write 1 into 2. 6 equals to, we can write 2 into 3. 24 equals to, we can write 6 into 4. and 720 equals to, we can write 120 into 6. So our middle term will be, we will have to multiply it by 24. We will have to multiply 24 by 5. So because every next term is the to find the every next term, we are multiplying with the consecutive numbers with the previous digit. So if we do 24 into 5, we will get 120, and this series in 1 3 5 4 2 3 2 3 4 5 6, this is in consecutive numbers. So if we do 1 into 2, we will get 2. If we are multiplying 2, that is, if we do multiplying, we are multiplying 1 by 2, then we will get 2. If we multiply 2 by 3, we will get 6. If we multiply 6 by 4 with 4, then we will get 24. And if we multiply 24 with 5, we will get 120, which will be our required answer. And if we multiply 120 into 6, we will get the last term 720. So our answer will be 120. Now it's our last question of today's session, that is 156 506, and we have to find out the next term, middle or the missing numbers, and last term is 1806. So if we do 156 plus 350, we will get 506, and if we do 506 plus 550, we will get 1056. If we do 1056 plus 750, we will get 1806. So here is the pattern of the addition, that is, we are adding every 200 gap, that is 350 550 750. Then this series is following this rule. So our answer will be 1056. So guys, I am ending my today's session here, and if you face any problem, you can mention in the comment box, or you just do pause that video, that place, and just repeat that video and study repeatedly, so that you can get a clear so that you will be get a clear view of all the problem. Okay, so guys, I'm finishing my today's session here, and best of luck for all of you, and we are always with you. And please do like and subscribe with this channel, so that we can provide you more and more information and more videos of for the competitive service examinations. Okay guys, thank you very much.